When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Step-by-step recurring spot treatment. Sometimes spots of unknown nature reappear. When they do, the easiest way to treat them is by addressing them with low moisture encapsulation. The tools needed are a counter-rotating brush machine, a pump sprayer, vacuum cleaner, and a Carpet and Rug Institute-approved encapsulant cleaner, such as Tarkett Scion 5. Apply encapsulant and immediately agitate into fiber with a soft bristled carpet brush. Place air mover to speed drying process. Dry vacuum to remove crystallized soil. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarkett is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.